frost is coming for the next 3 nights, and I thought that I would cover these with material covers, but I've decided I need to take them in. I just don't trust. I feel better that I put them in the greenhouse. And actually, we're going to the store to pick up a propane heater that I have for the greenhouse. I heard that if you water the floor and keep buckets of water in, that they will heat up and keep the greenhouse warm, but I don't trust that either. So I'm getting a propane heater. And these darlings are coming up, and then I could use the cloths for other plants that I can't dig up, because these are aerial, so they don't need soil anyway. So I know the last frost day isn't here yet, which is St. Patrick's Day, around March 17th for my zone 9B in Pasco County, Florida. But I had all of these inside the greenhouse for the winter time, and basically because I didn't know which ones belonged outside or could stay outside in the did we hit freezing? I don't think we hit freezing, but we definitely got into the 30s a few times. So I would put these plants in the greenhouse, close it up, and I had a nice little propane heater that I would turn on for the evenings until about 7 or 8 o'clock, maybe even 9 o'clock in the morning, depending on when it lifted above, say, 40 or so. Anyway, I decided instead of scattering these all around the property, I was just going to put them all in one area. I have the pineapple over there on the left, and I broke that into a couple of pieces, and that way, or I separated them, I should say, so that they can get most of the sunlight, and then the rest of these are in more shade. I had them all around a different tree, but that tree was in a little bit too much sunlight. Hi, Lothric. Hey, garden kitty. Hi, garden kitty. That's my COVID kitty I had to rescue. And I just think this makes so much more of a spectacular statement, and it makes it easy to see them all in one place and care for them, or if I have to take them in or whatever. So anyway, I'm really, really happy with this. I really had a bromeliad addiction, and actually might get a few more different ones. I do think that it looks nice when they're all in one mass of the same, but since I took them out and put them all in one pile in the greenhouse, they just all came out, and I'm not sure which one is which anymore. And I just wanted to get them out because I think it was a little bit overdue. I probably should have taken them out a little bit earlier. But anyway, I have a couple holes in here that I'd like to fill, and I know I can break some of these off. And I'm pretty sure I cleaned out all of the bromeliads from the greenhouse, so I don't have any left. So I might have to get a couple more. Anyway, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Check this out. I love, of course, the colorful ones. Some of these look like they're on their way out, and they're starting to have some babies. Put some pups in, and I love my really huge big ones, and I'm sure these are all going to be putting out more pups, so that's how I can get some more of these as well. But I love the striped ones too. They're pretty cool. Let's go here and take a look at some of these. And there you go. My bromeliad garden. Oh wait, I wanted to show you there are some pineapples. Come on, I think. Not my shadow. That looks like a pineapple to me. I thought I saw 2 of them in here, but right now I'm only seeing 1. Yep, that's it. And then I got 2 more off the side of this.